Hi everybody, my name is Madhura and I am one of the directors of ELC Excellence Learning Center. आज का जो मेरा वीडियो है that is to inform you all about our upcoming batches for MBA CET and it is for the students who will be taking CET in the year 22. Now because the offices have been closed due to the lockdown situation, we have not been able to tackle the inquiries on a face-to-face manner, and on a daily basis we have been receiving some or the other inquiry pertaining to MBA CET or CAT. So I thought let's make a video and let's address the queries that we have received till date as of now. So yes, हमारे CET 22 के batches जो है वो coming May से शुरू होने वाले हैं. The starting date is 11th of May. 11th of May we are launching the foundation course of MBA CET, and then CET specific topics begin right from 15th of June. This is a regular batch जिसमें in the first month from 11th of May until 14th of May we will be teaching the absolute basics of mathematics, English and DI. So what you can expect in the foundation course is basic calculations right from decimals, fractions, squares, cubes, a bit of Vedic maths, that is speed maths, interpretation of the DI charts, vocabulary, basics of grammar, how do you increase your comprehension, how should you inculcate the comprehension activity, that is reading activity, on a daily basis. Now why do we essentially cover this foundation courses? From the month of June when we start with the CET specific topics, we have seen that students from diverse backgrounds join us. So the non-engineering students are at times weaker with respect to the mathematical concepts, and that's just because they have lost out the touch with maths over a couple of years. So in order to get them back on track, in order to revise those concepts, ये foundation course हमारा conduct किया जाता है. And again, the engineering background students are also invited to attend the foundation course. So anybody who feels that they need a brush up of the basics should be attending this foundation course. From the month of June until the month of January, the first week of January, हमारा CET specific regular batch होता है. So what do you get in this regular batch is a full time coaching for MBA CET specific syllabus, but parallelly इसके साथ साथ you can focus on CMAT, SNAP, MAT and ATMA examinations. So हम syllabus इस प्रकार से plan करते हैं कि if you are planning to take SNAP in the month of December, you are confident enough and you can appear for the examination. So a student who is a part of the ELC regular batch of CET is provided with a whole set of study material. So you are provided with the study material books covering all the 5 sections of CET. Apart from that, you are provided with topic wise and the sectional tests. So these are very much online tests, and we provide 284 topic wise tests. Apart from that, you get 100 plus other management entrance exams tests. So these are mock tests where you are trying to focus on other management entrance tests apart from CAT and CET. And in-house 20 ELC mocks and 18 TCY full-fledged mocks. So this is a combination that you get with respect to the course content and the study material. Apart from that, yes, हमारे ये जो regular batches होते हैं ये Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday होते हैं. So they are 3 days a week, and we intend to schedule these batches somewhere in the evening, late evening at around 8 to 9:30. Because normally हमारे इन batches में working employees भी join होते हैं, and this is one comfortable timing taking into consideration के students के colleges हो सकते हैं या there could be some working employee candidates also. Now December तक हमारा ये syllabus complete होने के बाद what next? So first and foremost, you can independently start taking your mocks. You can start with your full-length mocks then, and immediately in the first week of February, we meet for an advanced level, a 1-month advanced level power booster workshop. अब last year हमारा ये workshop जो था ये first week of February में शुरू हुआ था, and this continued for 1 month, and we targeted it at a national level. So we had students pan India who joined us, and इस workshop में खास करके ऐसे students join होते हैं जिन्होंने already कहीं तो भी prepare किया हुआ था by self-study or probably who've taken some coaching at other end, but who are looking out for some speeds, some speed tricks and techniques. So obviously the level of this particular workshop is on the higher side because tough level questions are discussed, and ये workshop हमारे regular batch के students में inbuilt है. So it is provided in the regular batch itself free of cost. We do not charge them extra. अब इस workshop में खास करके हमारा मकसद ये होता है कि आप लोगों को एक लास्ट मोमेंटम दे पाना. ताकि you try and appear for the CET examination on a more confident manner, and by being in that particular pace that you've been able to develop in that 1 month. उसके बाद we will be having the GDPI and the VAT sessions. So GD is group discussion, personal interview and VAT sessions. अब एक obvious सवाल आपके दिमाग में हो सकता है कि भाई CET में तो GDPI होता नहीं है, तो why this? The answer is कि when you join our CET batches, you are going to focus on certain PGDM colleges also. And you will be probably writing CMAT, you will be probably writing SNAP, and in colleges के through, in exams के through आप जो colleges target करते हो, उनमें as a part of selection process GD, group discussion and personal interview होता है. So इसका भी preparation, a 3-week exhaustive program will be taken, and again normally this happens on an offline basis, but anticipating the situations now, we are very much confident to take it on an online or an offline format as well. Now, an obvious question in the minds of the students will be, why ELC? So the first and foremost thing is, I can confidently say that we are one such institute, jahan the owners are the faculties. So ELC is an MBA entrance coaching institute successfully operating for the last 12 years. And in these 12 years, we have never hired any outside faculty. So you can now understand the level of expertise, the level of experience that we have gained, and hence the methods that we teach are the ones that we have devised while we were preparing for the MBA entrance examinations. So जो दो owners है ELC के, one is Mr. Sagar Nikam, who is the founder of ELC. He's passed out of 2008-10 batch. He's passed out of Jamnalal Bajaj, and he was All India Rank 1 in MBA CET 2008. I am also passed out of Indira Institute of Management. I'm also passed out of 2008-10 batch. And we both are the owners of ELC. So we are one such institute who does not believe in hiring outside faculty, because that eventually leads down to the dilution or the dilution of the quality. Second is unparalleled result. Now we are one of institute in Maharashtra who has been able to secure 21 of our students in 1 year in Jamnalal Bajaj. So how do you gauge the quality of an institute? It's by assessing कि वो institute कितने number of students उस topmost college में भेज पाया है. And any candidate who is figuring out to write CET is essentially targeting Jamnalal Bajaj. So obviously when I say that I have been able to send 21 students in 1 year and 37 students in 2 consecutive years, that itself speaks. Third is, we are a coaching institute who focuses only on MBA entrance examinations. So we do not have any other diversions. Apart from MBA, we also cater to other such significant areas. The answer is no. Further, the methods and the methodologies that we teach are the ones that we have devised, and hence you will mostly not find these methods in any of the textual or in any of the theoretical book concepts. Now, appealing to all of you, the ones who are really interested in knowing more about the batches or who really wish to join for our batches, in the description window I have mentioned our website. आप website पे हमें contact कर सकते हो. I have also mentioned our contact number जहाँ पे आप हमें contact कर सकते हो. And if you wish to know more about our batches, I suggest you ping on this particular number, because for these upcoming batches we've also provided a group discount structure. So when a student comes in along with certain number of students in a group, we definitely have attractive group discounts, and for that I suggest you to drop a message on the WhatsApp number that has been mentioned in the description box. If you really think that you wish to know more about, or you wish to sort more of your queries pertaining to the CET regular batch, I am more than happy to answer those queries in the chat window, in the comment section. And please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. All the best.